All right, we just received this Unbreakable product. Let's see what's in here. It looks like a power bank, I do believe. And, oh yeah, check it out. It's got 2 USBs, and you can plug it right into the wall. There's your USBs. And it comes with some directions. And I do believe we've got some USB cord here that comes with. And if you're in Europe, they've got this special plug here, something like this. Maybe it goes like this. Ah, there you go. So now if you're in Europe, this is what you do. Bam. All right. But when we're in America, we'll just go like this. And that's our charger right there. And I do believe we also have this for different parts of Europe. And so you can stick it in like that. So you see how that works. It just kind of slides in, and these pump into there. And so that's how you get your power set up. And that's it. So it comes with these two. You know, depending on what part of the world you're in, you may need either one of these, so save those. Those are important. And that's pretty much everything that's in the box. So now we can go ahead and charge our phones up using these, or anything that uses a USB-C. So if you got a USB-C to Lightning, bam, there you go. Bob's your uncle. All right, so anyway, this is your typical USB-C cord. Looks pretty thick too. Looks pretty strong. Let's see how long it is. So let's start this way, and we'll just move our way right through there. So you got about 6 feet of cord here. That's pretty good. So they give you a 6-foot cord to go with it. All right, so when you're ready to charge up your iPad or any other device that uses a USB-C, like a GoPro, that's what you do, and then you just plug her in the wall. All right, let's go ahead and stick it in there. Okay, that's in. Here's the other end of it. And all right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook it to this GoPro camera. I'm gonna open it up, and right here we've got a USB-C, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug her in, and bam, done. There we go, charging. So now we'll just set that on the table here and just let it charge. All right, and that's it. That's how you use it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to use stuff like this. Peace out.